it's Jeanette J Beauty and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick get ready with me featuring Uncle Funky's daughter products. I'll be going over wash day, styling my hair, makeup, and outfit of the day. I really hope that you like these videos. Let me know if you do like them in the comments below. I'm going to start with saturating my hair with warm water to help loosen up any tangles and get rid of some of the dirt, excess oils, pollution, all of that does not need to be on my scalp or my hair. And then I'm going to separate my hair into quadrants as I always do because I can better manage my hair and scalp this way. For the first step, I'll be using the Rich and Funky Moisturizing Cleanser. I really love this cleanser because it helps to gently cleanse my hair and scalp without stripping any moisture from it. I'm going to lather this and massage it on my scalp and work it down the length of my hair. This way I can make sure that my scalp is nice and clean, and also my hair, it does not weigh my hair down, and my hair feels really good, nice and fresh. I just love saturating my hair with water because water is a moisturizer alone, and I find that by doing this technique, products are able to penetrate better into my hair and I'm able to really get the products working good for me. After I've lathered the shampoo on my scalp and worked it down the length of my hair in each section, I'm going to remove all the clips and work the shampoo in one section as a whole and then rinse it out completely. I'm really making sure that I rinse all the shampoo out so I don't cause any scalp or hair irritation. And here's how my hair looks after I have rinsed the shampoo completely out. I put my hair back into quadrants and I'm ready to apply my conditioner, which is the Richie Rich. And I also love this hydrating conditioner because it does exactly what it says. It helps to hydrate my hair and it conditions it so well. My hair clumps together, my curls pop every single time that I use this conditioner, and I've been using it for years. I just love how I'm able to work it down the length of my hair with ease. And I also love combing the conditioner in my hair. This way I'm able to make sure that my hair is detangled and also that the conditioner is really penetrating into my hair strands. I love doing this technique all the time. Then I twist my hair, just making sure that I am able to lock that moisture in. And after I've applied the conditioner to all 4 sections, I'm going to go back to the very first section and rinse the conditioner out and apply my deep conditioner in immediately after. I've noticed every single time that I apply my deep conditioner right after I rinse the conditioner out, my hair feels more supple, it's softer, it feels more manageable, and overall more healthier. And for my deep conditioner, I'm going to use the Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask. I also love this deep conditioner. It's one of my favorites because it really helps to get my curls moisturized and popping. It has a great balance of moisture and protein, which my hair loves, and it doesn't make my hair feel dry or brittle, anything like that. My hair feels very good, and you could see my curls pop. I love the Uncle Funky's Daughter products. I mean, I'm always using them because their products work so well on my hair. The results speak for themselves, and many of you that have tried the Uncle Funky's Daughter products, especially after I have recommended them, say that you love them as well. So I am really happy to know that the products that I am recommending to you work really good in your hair too. And all I'm doing is just applying the deep conditioner down the length of my hair and just twirling it around my finger and clipping it up. I really want to make sure that I hold on to the moisture with this deep conditioner, and after I finish, I will be taking my extended shower and then rinsing the deep conditioner out with cold water. And now it's time to rinse the deep conditioner out. My hair feels amazing. The deep conditioner has been sitting for about 12 minutes now, and I'm just going to rinse this out with cold water. Cold water really helps to lock that moisture in, also helps to provide sheen to the hair, and I love natural sheen. And here's how my hair looks after I have rinsed everything out. It feels very soft, moisturized, conditioned, nourished, exactly how I want my hair to feel. Overall, it feels very healthy. I'm going to wrap a cotton t-shirt to soak up any excess water. Now it is time to style my hair. I put it back into my quadrants, and I'm going to apply some of the Good Hair conditioning styling cream to my hair. I really love the way it felt. It's very lightweight, but also helped condition my hair like it says. And on top of that, I'm going to apply the Curly Magic Curly Stimulator to my hair, and this is going to be my main styler, really helping to curl and hold my hair together. I love when I have that nice definition to my hair, so the two together is definitely going to give me that. I use the Denman brush just to help smooth these stylers in my hair and also to help clump my curls together. Next, I'm just going to use a finger coiling motion in my hair to give me kind of the curl pattern that I like for my wash and goes, and I'm going to continue doing this technique for the rest of my hair except for the front portion, just a small portion in the front. I'm going to slick it down with the Curly Magic. And just like that, I finished applying the products, and here's how my hair looks. To dry, I will be using the Dyson Supersonic. I really like using this because it helps to dry my hair in like 20-25 minutes, so I don't go out with wet hair, because that is a no-no, especially for the colder months. And I also switched the attachment out. This one is the smoothing attachment, and it's just going to make sure that my roots are nice and dry, because I want to make sure that my hair is 100% dry. Once I finish that, I'm separating some of the curls. I did take a pick just to give me some extra volume. Now to get into the makeup, I am going to prime my skin. I love priming just to make sure that the foundation has a nice, you know, like a foundation to go on. Then I apply my foundation, my concealer. I'm going to blend that out with a brush. I find between using a beauty blender and a brush, it really helps. Set that with some setting powder, apply my contour. Next, I'm going to apply my blush, some highlight. I did my brows. Next comes my eyeshadow, and I decided to go for a colorful look. I love colors. Like when it comes to fashion, clothing, handbags, accessorizing, all of that, I love colors, like bold colors. And this time I wanted something really colorful and fun. I did my eyeliner, applied some lashes on, and of course I had to apply some mascara first. and some gloss. And my hair dried a little bit while doing my makeup. I just went over my hair with the Supersonic again, making sure that my roots were indeed dry. I added a couple rhinestone clips. I really love accessorizing my hair, my makeup, my outfits. Like, I am all into that. And here is the finished look. I just changed my shirt into something I felt was a little bit more appropriate, and I sprayed some Atelier cologne. This is the Pacific Lime. I love that fragrance. And here's the overall finished look. I'm looking good, I'm smelling good, I'm feeling good. My hair is fresh, and here is the finished outfit. I really hope that you enjoy this whole get ready with me. Let me know down below in the comments. And a huge thank you to Uncle Funky's daughter for sponsoring today's video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.